All right, well, let's start off outside. We do have those cloudy skies out there. Got to see some sunshine today, but clouds are starting to work their way into the area. That'll be the case throughout the rest of the evening today. Very normal for December. 36 was our high and 36 is average. Started off mild this morning, though. 27 was our low, 17 the normal low, 70 is the record high. And it looks like we'll be pretty cool as we move towards the evening, sitting at 30 right now. And we'll be watching these temperatures pretty closely because tomorrow temperatures will be hovering around the 30s for pretty much the whole day. That's going to depict what kind of precipitation we see. 17 is the dew point, 59% humidity, winds 7 miles an hour out of the north-northwest right now. And most of us are dropping into the 30s and upper 20s. That northwesterly wind pushing in that cooler air. Continue to drop as we move towards the overnight hours, but clouds will help to hold in just a little bit of some heat. So right now we are dry, but watching our next system off towards the west start to organize a little bit. We'll continue to push towards our area. Most of us will stay dry throughout the rest of the evening. Could start to see some flurries later on tonight off towards the west, but looks like most of us aren't expecting that system until early tomorrow morning. Again, you can see across the Midwest, lots of winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and in fact here for our area has been extended, so everyone is under winter weather advisory. Starts tomorrow 6 a.m. goes until 6 p.m. So the whole day we're expecting to see pretty much everything precipitation wise. So tonight we'll watch those clouds start to build into the area early tomorrow morning, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Up towards the north could start to see some light snow and some flurries, but the main band will start to push in later on in the morning. So if you leave early for work in the mornings, the road should be okay. Could be a few slick spots. But if you leave later in the morning, that's when we're going to start to see those heavier bands of precipitation push throughout the area. So 10 o'clock, mainly snow as those temperatures stay on the cool side, but slowly we're going to start to warm up. So we'll start to see a mix over of that wintry mix, sleet, some freezing rain. Just takes a little bit of some ice to make it slick out there. So if you will be traveling in the afternoons, you might want to reroute your schedule because that will probably be the slickest part of the day. Up towards the north Iowa border, still going to have that snow lingering, and that's where we'll see those heavier snowfall totals. Temperatures continue to warm up. So by the time we hit the dinner time hour, most of us are going to be in the mid 30s. We'll be watching that temperature closely though, and that's when we'll see this transition to most of it is going to stay rain, and then we'll stay warm in the overnight hours. So just expecting rain Tuesday night into your Wednesday. Early Wednesday morning could see a quick changeover. It's going to be very brief, 4 or 5 in the morning. That system pushes out of our area, and then it looks like we'll stay dry for the remainder of your Wednesday. So here's a look at one of the models for snowfall totals. Again, those heavier totals are going to be up towards the north. A lot of this is going to be that slushy snow with that sleet and freezing rain mixed in, but some of us could see 1 inch to possibly 2 inches. And then as far as ice, we could see a little bit of a glaze of ice for some of us in the afternoon, close to 1/10 of an inch, which could make things very slick out there. 24 tonight for your low, cloud cover, and then we'll start to see that snow pushing in late tomorrow morning, wintry mix and snow, eventually transitioning to rain, 37 for your high. And here's a look at your 5 to 7 day forecast. We'll clear out by the middle of the week, but Friday, first of the year, expecting another system to push through, giving us another chance for some winter weather.